Welcome. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into BlackShark Pad SE. To insert the SIM card, we're gonna have to remove the protective case temporarily, then find the SIM card tray on the left side of the tablet right here. As you can see, it has a little pinhole, so we're gonna need to use a tiny pinhole device, which is usually comes in the box with the tablet itself. Now we're gonna have to insert this pin tool device carefully into this hole to make the SIM card tray jump out, and then we're gonna have to prepare our SIM card. Okay, so it's inserted from this way, and now we're gonna have to insert it like this and push it slightly inside. Make sure that it doesn't come out. It still will fall out if you rotate the SIM card tray, so we're gonna have to slightly hold it while pushing the SIM card tray back inside like this. Now let's push it all the way, and this way we'll insert the SIM card, and let's check whether the tablet is detecting it. To do that, we're gonna have to go to settings, then open network and internet, yes, and see whether we have mobile network. As you can see, the device successfully detected our SIM card. Therefore, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.